What's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. In this video, guys, we're going to do a Forex analysis for this upcoming week. We're going to take a look at the pairs that have the highest probability setups. Last week we had some trades that I called out as far as GBP CAD and Euro CAD. Um, GBP, Great British Pound, kept falling. So the trade didn't go in our intended direction, but that trade is still valid. Still looking for that trade to go higher. EuroCAD did move a bit higher, but it also kept falling. But those trades are still valid. Again, we're looking off the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, it's going to take a while for price to really set up and start going in our direction. But it looks to be this week. We should see price start to head in our direction. But first things first, let's take a look at the news and see what news we have for this week. Always like to go to forexfactory.com. And what I'm looking for, guys, is simply red folder news. So we do have some on Monday at 4 a.m. for the euro. And then we have some also euro news, some orange folder news at 9 a.m. So nothing really major going on Monday. Again, Monday is usually a continuation from Friday. Okay. Most likely 9 times out of 10, there's going to be a continuation from Friday. So reversals normally don't happen until Tuesday or Wednesday of the week. So that's when you can start looking for reversals. But again, continuations usually happen on Monday, continuation from Friday. Going into Tuesday, we have some red folder news for USD at 10 a.m. And then we have some AUD news later on that evening, CPI at 9:30. Wednesday, we don't have any red folder news. We just have some USD news, orange folder news, so nothing major there. And then on Thursday, we have some more Euro news, CPI news during the London session. And then going into the New York session, we do have some unemployment claims to look out for on Thursday. Going to Friday, we have some CAD and USD news. So really nothing too major, guys. Just some minor events happening this week. We have some CHF news, Swiss franc news, but nothing really major this week. So we should see the market move, and it is going to be the last week of the month that we're going to be looking at. So Friday will be October 1st. Okay. This month really flew past, but let's get into our high probability setups for this week. So again, Euro CAD is still valid for a buy. If we turn on the cheat code indicator, let me go ahead and turn this off. So we turn on the cheat code indicator. We still have a CC buy and a divergence buy signal here for Euro CAD. Okay, so that trade is still valid. Now, you guys, I have a new indicator, and it's also on my YouTube page. It is called the CC trend indicator. Okay. And you may see these lines here. It lines up with the cheat code, and it gives you going to give you the highest probability setup. Okay. That's all that does. And you'll find out more about it if you go to my YouTube page. You can actually watch a video on how to use it. But now let's go ahead and turn it off so it doesn't confuse you. All right. So first pair, EuroCAD, we're going to be looking for a buy, which should be valid this week. Let's start from the top. Let's go to AUDCHF. AUDCHF, okay? We can see that the overall trend, I mean, the big picture trend, price is bearish, right? Price is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, okay? In this area here, we have a support, okay? Price went up, came down, broke the support, came back up to retest the resistance. Now price is coming back up to this area, okay? Since we know that the overall trend is bearish, we know that we can be potentially taking a trend trade here on AUDCHF, setting up for a trend trade. Okay. So if I turn on the cheat code indicator, Price is outside of the band. We do not have a signal yet, CC sell signal. So that means price can push up a little bit more somewhere into this area before we actually get a CC sell reversal. Okay. So I will be looking out for AUDCHF for a sale opportunity. Okay. On AUDCHF. Same exact scenario is happening with CAD CHF. All right. On CAD CHF, we have what the overall trend is bearish. All right. This is potentially setting up for a trend trade for price to continue lower. If I turn on the indicator, you guys are going to see a CC sale. Okay. We have one on CAD CHF. If I turn on the trend indicator, you guys can see on the trend indicator, price is headed down. We have bearish activity. Also, we have here another confirmation, which is giving us a high probability that price is going to reverse. In addition to that indicator, we also have my high probability scanner. And on the high probability scanner, we have CAD CHF, which is telling us to sell on the daily time frame. Okay. So we have more than enough confirmation letting us know that price is going to reverse and we should be getting ready for a setup here on CAD CHF. Next one is going to be NZD CHF. Same exact scenario as AUD CHF. We have a support that turned resistance. Price is coming back up into this area. If I turn on the indicator, price is outside of the band here. We do not have a CC sell quite yet, but we should be getting one. Price might head up a little bit more before we actually get a reversal here. And this will be in accordance with the actual trend, which is bearish. Okay. So this will be a nice little swing trade to go with the trend. Excuse me. Next one is going to be USD CHF. USD CHF. Okay. We can see that price is headed up into an area where this was previous support. Actually turned resistance here. We're coming back up into this area again. Price is almost outside of the band. Price could push up a little bit more before we actually get a reversal here. But yet again, high probability scanner, as you guys can see on USD CHF, is telling us to sell. Okay. So we should get ready to look for an opportunity to sell. Right. Also, with the CC trend indicator, you can see price is bearish, price is heading down. We are getting a signal here for price to reverse, okay, on USD CHF. All right. So those are going to be our high probability setups this week as far as swing trades, okay? Let's take a look at some USD base pairs. Let's take a look at GBP USD. GBP USD price is bullish. We did have a break of this trend line here, okay? But that doesn't mean price is actually bearish, because some of these lows haven't been broken yet, and we need for price to pull back at least into this area here, or even higher into this area here before we can say that price is going to continue higher, or if price is going to reverse and continue lower. So we shall see. But we should start looking for a buy opportunity. Okay. That means to start looking for a buy opportunity. That doesn't mean on Monday, when the market opens up, you take a buy trade on GBP USD. Okay. It may not be ready yet. We have a set of rules that we follow for our 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest before we look for an opportunity to buy on GBP USD. But we are going to be looking for an opportunity for that type of setup. Okay. Price is overextended. So price definitely needs to pull back soon on GBP USD. Let's take a look at NZD USD. NZD USD price is already starting to push up a little bit on the daily time frame. Same exact scenario is going to be happening with AUD USD. Price is going to be starting to push up on AUD USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD real quick. Euro USD, we are at a major support area here. Price is starting to looks like exhaust. We have some wicks here. So we could see a reversal, possibly higher, to go higher on Euro USD this week. Okay. So definitely look out for that. If you go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's see if we have any signals yet. So no, we don't have any signals yet. Price is still bearish on Euro USD. Price could push higher and then push lower before we actually get a reversal to go higher on Euro USD. Okay, but price is bearish, so keep that in mind. Okay. Another pair that's going to be a good trade, and most people don't trade this, but it used to be one of my favorite pairs to trade, would be GBP NZD. Okay, all the stars are lining up. If we go to the daily time frame, okay, we have price is bullish. We have a CC buy here. Okay, we also have a signal from our trend indicator indicating that price wants to go higher. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we also have our signal on the 4-hour time frame along with our divergence buy signal. So we should be getting ready for a reversal on GBP NZD. Okay, so GBP can offer you a lot of pips. All right, so we should get ready for some reversals. We had a down week. This week we should be looking for an up week on the pound pairs. Okay, so get ready for some reversals this week. That's going to be my analysis. Again, GBP CAD, Euro CAD, still looking for buy opportunities. Sell opportunities are going to be USD CHF, AUD CHF, CAD CHF, and NZD CHF. We're going to be looking for sale opportunities. Okay. Other than that, that's going to conclude our analysis for this week. If you guys want the cheat code system with these indicators, that's going to help you become a consistently profitable trader. Make sure you click the link in the description below and go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com. That's vinniestradingcheatcode.com. Link in the description below. Thank you.